Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to join a Zoom meeting on a PC or laptop. This is great for attending online classes, business meetings, or virtual events. Let's get started. When using the Zoom web app on a laptop or desktop, joining a meeting is simple. First, we need to click on Meetings in the upper left part of the screen. If our meetings are listed here, we can join them right away. If we want to join a different meeting, we need to click Join on the home screen. We will see Join Meeting appear. Then we just need to enter the meeting ID or the name of the meeting. Once we have entered the meeting ID or name, we just need to click Join, and that's it. We are now joining the meeting. If we have a meeting link, we simply need to open a new tab and paste the link. This will let us join the meeting shared by a teammate, workmate, or classmate. This guide covers how to join Zoom meetings using a meeting link, ID, or passcode on our computer. It also covers basic setup steps, like audio and video settings, to make sure everything runs smoothly. And that's how we join a Zoom meeting on a PC or laptop. With these simple steps, we can quickly connect and take part in online meetings with ease.